Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Dutch touchdown in Natty Kingston. Trackies, Elaine Jet Plane Thompson has touched down. You know how long me I wait to see a snippet of Elaine Thompson here? I train, I run, I do anything. Anyway, take a look at the recent snippet of Elaine Thompson here in training, and then I'm gonna get back with the rest of my thoughts.
People see me, but they just don't know. Come on, baby, let the good time roll.
I'm fresh off the block, the hustler just returned. I devo these niggas, now they call me Big Worm. I'm the shit.
All right, so trackies, you saw Elaine Thompson here there in that training clipping, and boy, when I tell you, just touched down in a way. Paris, all right. Trackies, I am so excited. Elaine Thompson Hera looks awesome. Now, don't get me wrong, Elaine Thompson Hera always looks technically good, but I am ever so impressed with this particular snippet. And I'm going to tell you why clearly. And then, of course, y'all are going to mouth off in the comment section and tell me, oh my God, here goes T again, mouthing off about a training video that apparently nobody else can see great things out of. But it's very interesting because when I spoke about the Shelly snippet, guess which Shelly snippet is now trending on social media, on Twitter, and everybody's going crazy about how she looks in that race. Yes, the same one I'm telling about. So when T brings certain things sooner, I don't know about to go around the thing and make it look like nothing a gossip because T has an eye for it. I might not be a coach, I might have never been an athlete, but me know when we see greatness, I bring it to the fore. But anyway, track is I saw some absolute greatness in that one shot from Elaine Thompson Hera. And as I said, I'm going to tell you why I think this is greatness. No, looking back at the clip, or when you look at the clip, I was, immediately brought back to a time period. And I was brought back specifically to 2021. But I was brought back to the 100 meters semifinal in the women's 100 meters for Tokyo, Paris, where, Elaine did go on to capture the double double, winning the 100 meters and the 200 meters. But I was brought back to that specific moment in time because when I looked at this particular video snippet, that's what I saw. I saw that Elaine Thompson Hero from then, Elaine Thompson Hero that was bouncing and light on her feet, executing the phases of her race, not, applying the full 100. As you can clearly see in this video, this isn't, Elaine Thompson Hero going guns out. That's completely tapered off. No, this Elaine Thompson Hero here, from a training perspective, brought me back again to Elaine Thompson Hero smoothly executing at 10.76 seconds to qualify for the finals, not giving too much, just enough, just executing, just going out there and going through her phases. That's literally what I saw in this particular video. But for me, trackies, it's even more amazing. And again, I'm going to tell you why. Now, if y'all realize where this video started, it seems as though this was Elaine Thompson Hera doing some 200 meters. That is pretty much what I saw in this particular video, or where she was coming from. In my opinion, it's telling me that this type of workout had something to do with the 200 meters. No, trackies, if we go back to that same moment in time in 2021 and looked at Elaine Thompson Hera executing the 200 meters, especially the last 50 of the 200 meters, Elaine did not look like this technically. This is Elaine Thompson Hera executing a 100 meters over the 200-meter distance. This for me is absolutely mind blowing. Absolutely mind blowing, because when I tell you, formed in the break, technique in the break, straight through the line, and then some, and she kept bouncing along. As like, hold up, wait a minute. When I told you all that Elaine Thompson here has unfinished business in the 200 meters, you thought I was joking. You thought I was joking when I said, remember, trackies, Elaine Thompson here started out, according to Stephen Francis, being so much more talented in the 200 meters than she was in the 100 meters. But what did we see transpire over the years? Elaine Thompson here barely running the 200 meters year after year, pretty much only running it when she had to qualify for, at championships and also at the championships, right? That was pretty much what we saw. So I brought it to your attention and I said, look here, Elaine has a lot of untapped potential in the 200 meters. Now, let's go back again to what I call Elaine Thompson Hera's breakout year 2015. She was able to drop a jaw dropping 21.66 seconds, though it was done in Beijing, and a lot of people say that's the fastest track in the world, similar to Eugene. You know what I mean? Doesn't change the fact that she was able to drop a 21.66 seconds in her breakout year over the 200 meters. She did eventually lose that 200 meters, but myself and a few others were able to notice something very key in that race. And we thought, and I still think to this day, that Elaine threw away that race. I've gotten over it clearly, but it was definitely her race to win. She know what she do, as Stephen Francis said as well. So again, starting out, 21.66 seconds. And of course, in that same year in the 100 meters, 10.80 seconds. Now, let's filter through the years of Elaine Thompson Hera and look at how much now she has improved over the 100-meter distance. But for some strange reason, the 200 meters has been left far behind in terms of improvement. Her 100 meters now is all the way down to at 10.54 seconds, where when you look back at 2015 and you say, okay, 21.66, all the way into 2021, she got down to a 21.53 seconds. Now, when you look at that kind of rate of development or improvement, you clearly see that something a balance right there. So you can clearly see that there's a lot of room for improvement over that 200 meters. Now, track is fast forward to the incoming of an absolutely phenomenal, speedster over the 200-meter distance. That's Shericka Jackson. And of course, Elaine Thompson Hera being the defending champion, coming out and saying she's going after the double. I said, guys, you think Elaine Thompson Hera is stupid? You think she doesn't see what Shericka is over there doing? You think she doesn't see that 21.41 seconds and knows what she's up against and is putting in the work? A lot of y'all said, no, Teach, Elaine is only going to be focusing on the one. She can't focus on the two because XYZ, blah, blah, blah. I don't even know whatever excuses y'all were giving me. But anyway, it is what it is. Y'all found every excuse under the sun to tell me why you didn't believe Elaine Thompson Hera wasn't focusing on the two. But guess what? Based on this clipping, wanna see no, wanna see for yourself, wanna see say Elaine Thompson Hera is focusing on the 200 meters. And wanna see say technically over the 200 meters, Elaine has improved vastly. At this particular moment, my mouth is watering in anticipation for the showdown between our top guns. Not only is there going to be an interesting, intriguing showdown, one for the history books in that 100 meters come Paris, but I also believe that there's going to be a showdown into that 200 meters, one for the history books come Paris 2024. Back in 2021, Stephen Francis was famously quoted as saying, before the 200 meters at the Olympic Games, said that the only person he believes that could beat Elaine Thompson Hera over the 200 meters was Shericka Jackson. I believe that the opposite is also true. Now, when you look at it from a 2021 perspective, clearly Shericka Jackson was not going to be beating a 21.53-second run. But guess what? At this particular moment, Shericka Jackson has superseded that. She's now 21.41 seconds. Now Elaine has to step up to that. But I believe that she definitely can step up to that challenge. Now, the question now remains, who will walk away with the ultimate win at the end of the day? Track is, I have no idea. All I know that this is going to be a fantastic run. And you know what? My glad say them are Jamaican. So guess what? Either way you spin it, I want Jamaican a win. All I have to say right now, I'm absolutely excited and I can't wait to see what happens when we get to Paris. As me say, just touch down in a way. All right. Chakis, with that said, I'm also praying that all our girls remain healthy, not just only the Jamaicans, but everybody else. Shakiri, the Julian Alfreds, the Dina Asher Smiths, everybody that's coming. I'm praying for health because trust me, I believe that all of the girls that will line up in Paris 2024 will be able to put on a show, one that will be remembered for centuries to come. When we're dead and gone, people will still be remembering. Do you remember what happened in 2024 with XYZ? I'm looking forward to it. I hope y'all are looking forward to it now, Jackies. And as usual, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Oh, yes, comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. I'll catch y'all in the next one.